Hi guys, I'm Andrew Miller and welcome to tonight's broadcast of STEM News. This is my co-host Nicole.
And we will be presenting to you for the first time ever Wheat Ridge High School STEM Engineering YouTube channel.
This is a new way we're going to spread the word about our Wheat Ridge High School STEM Engineering class, and we will be showing you different ways the car is built throughout the process, interviews of the students, and interviews of sponsors.
Throughout the channel, we will be showing you the progress throughout the year, and we'll be posting a news channel every Thursday. And if we do not post a news channel, we will be posting a video that will fill the space of what a news channel did not. So for those of you that do not know, Wheat Ridge High School STEM did build its first ever hydrogen fuel cell car and took it to the Shell Eco Marathon.
The Shell Eco Marathon is a fuel efficiency competition sponsored and set up by Shell Oil Company. We were the first high school to ever compete in the Shell Eco Marathon, and we'll tell you more about the competition later.
With the new year beginning, and the team is getting ready to build its new hydrogen fuel cell car.
But before we get to that, let's show you our Drive for Detroit 2016 Kickstart video.
We are making a hydrogen fuel cell car.
What we started out with is design. So all the kids in our program, they get to learn solid modeling techniques. So they were developing the car structure and the frame via the computer.
The Wheat Ridge STEM engineering team is building a hydrogen fuel cell car for the Shell Eco Marathon, which is a fuel efficiency competition created by Shell Oil Company. The team had to build the car to the dimensions and rules set by the Shell Eco Marathon. Once at the competition, the team had to go through a rigorous technical inspection of the car before they were allowed on the track. Our paddock was a place at the competition where we could store and work on the car if there were any repairs or things that needed to be changed while at the competition. There are many inspections that took place, including a hydrogen fuel cell inspection, a seatbelt inspection, and a brake systems test. During the race, the team had to complete 7 laps around a 0.9 mile track for a total of 6.3 miles, and this had to be done in under 25 minutes. To win the race, you needed to be the team that used the least amount of fuel while finishing the course, as well as finishing the course in the given time limit. Our team's fuel efficiency was 151 meters per meters cubed, or about 1,500 miles per gallon.
We wanted to place. But then as we went on and, we worked more and more, we realized, how hard it is to place. It's just amazing.
Felt a great sense of pride in the community for all the support and the team members.
What we're looking at next is the students have already talked, and we're going to do 2 cars next year. We're going to do a prototype and also an urban concept car. They've already started designs for that. The STEM program has doubled in size so far from the beginning of this year.
As stated in the video, they talked about how we all wanted to go and compete, and we kind of got the car there, but none of us ever expected to win. So the fact that we took it, built it, took first in our division was better than any of us had ever expected.
Yeah, really, when we were going to the competition, our goal was to be able to get to the competition and get through tech inspection and hopefully get one qualifying run we never expected to win. As stated earlier in the video, though, the Shell Eco Marathon is a fuel efficiency competition, and we did win it, so we would now like to show you a video about our experience in Detroit. As stated in our Detroit video, the competition took place in the Cobo Center, where the entire Shell Eco Marathon was placed. The race course itself was on the streets of Detroit, and one of the parts of the course was an S-curve where Ford drove his original Model T on, so that was kind of a cool aspect.
One thing that was really cool is they put all the teams together in one area, so you were able to walk around and explore other teams' ideas and what they had thought on making cars. It was really cool to meet other people from different countries and different places. Now we'll be going to Ian and Jacqueline to see on their thoughts about this past year and to see about not only building our new car, but building an urban concept car as well.
They will also go over what students coming into the class will be doing during the first semester, since they will not be going straight into working onto the cars.
Hi, my name is Ian Clark. I'm going to be a sophomore this coming year, and I'll be working on the urban concept body.
I'm Jacqueline Pudlow. I will also be a sophomore this year. I'm leading prototype and I'm leading prototype body. So this year is going to be a lot different than last year. First off, last year we had about 16 students on the team, and this coming year we have closer to 60.
So last year, we started designing the car around mid-September, and then we started production around December, January, and then we started piecing it all together in March and getting ready for the competition in April. And in the competition was held in Detroit this year, and we ended up winning first in our category.
So for this coming year, we are also building 2 different cars. We are building a prototype and an urban concept. The prototype is a lot like what we did this past year. However, since we have experience with the prototype, we get to look at what we did last year and how we can change things this year. Last year we had some issues regarding visibility, the hydrogen fuel cell, and the curvature of the body, which we will be changing a lot with that with this coming year's design.
And the urban concept vehicle is basically a miniature street legal vehicle. It has to have windshield wipers, blinkers, headlights, and our design for this coming year will be a truck, so it's going to be pretty fun to.
What will the role of the new students in the class be?
The incoming students will be in a class with both the new students and the students who worked on the car last year. They will be first learning the CAD program on the computer, so they won't be as involved in design.
In production, the new students this year and the students from last year that worked on the car will be working side by side, and it'll also be helpful because the urban concept vehicle this year is going to need a lot more hands with laying the carbon fiber, milling all the parts, and parting it all together.
Thanks, Jacqueline and Ian. And now we'd like to thank a couple people throughout the program. First, we'd like to thank our principal, Mr. Worth. Mr. Worth has given us the time to start up this brand new program and has given our teacher, Mr. Sprague, everything that he needs to have the kids be successful. Now we'd like to thank Mr. Sprague, our teacher, who has put in so much time and effort throughout the year and also throughout the summer in making sure the kids are successful.
Next, we would like to thank Dr. Rohr and Mr. Gallagher from the University of Colorado, Denver. They are the ones who brought this project to our school, and they are the ones who, through teaching and supporting us, have made this car possible. Next, we would like to thank Fred Dorchot, who brought his electrical knowledge to us to help us power the car and get the car moving. Next, we're going to go over some upcoming events that the team will be at and are organizing.
Next Saturday, August 22nd, we will be having a car wash at D&T Ultimate Auto Detail, which is located off of 44th behind the Big O Tires. Come help and support the STEM team. It starts at 9 o'clock.
On behalf of the entire Wheat Ridge STEM Engineering team, I would like to thank you for watching our newscast, and please like and subscribe to our Wheat Ridge STEM channel. Also, follow us on Facebook at Wheat Ridge STEM Engineering. Thank you.